Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a loose USB charging cable. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This will pretty much work with any USB charging cable, whether it is for a camera or a phone or anything else. But most of the time, people that are watching this video are going to have a phone, and when they plug the charging cable into the phone, it's going to be really loose, which will either not cause your phone to consistently charge, or it just comes unplugged really easily. Now, there are a few different reasons that can be the culprits for why this happens, but the number one most common reason is because there is too much lint caught in the charging port on the phone. I'm going to show you how to fix that, okay? Now, with this phone, this is my older phone. That's actually an older phone of an older phone. It's like, a few generations ago, the phone that I was using, okay? I've since then upgraded, but with this specific phone, I had a huge issue for a while where the charging cable was very loosely in there, and it wouldn't consistently charge the phone. And I couldn't figure out what the problem was. I tried it with different chargers and blah blah blah, and it just never fixed the problem until I looked inside of there and I saw a little bit of lint, and I said, you know what, let me try something. I got one of these things. This is just a little like a little twist tie. Sometimes they come on cables, sometimes they come on like bread packages. I tried getting one of these little things, and I just carefully, and this is great because it's not just metal, it's wrapped in this like rubbery type of material, right? As you can see right there. So I got one of these, and I carefully just kind of scraped out all of the lint from there. I just went and I scraped out all of the lint as carefully as I could do it, okay? Once I scraped out all the lint, there was tons of lint coming out. I didn't think it was possible for so much fabric and material to be in there. Once I scraped it out, I plugged in the charger, and you hear this sound. That's a nice click. You hear that? Listen to it one more time. Just like that. You get that nice tactile click. One more time, just for fun. That's the feeling and the sound that you should get when you plug your device into a USB charging cable. And I never had the same problem again. And now with my newer phones, every couple of months, when I notice there's a little bit of lint, or when I notice that, the charging cable is not getting that nice clicky feeling in there, I do the same thing. I just take one of these and I just clean it out, and I always get a nice connection with the charging cable. So if your USB charging cable is loose with your device, try doing this. You got to be very careful whenever you're using anything, and try to avoid using something that's like just pure metal, right? You want to try and use something that's like this, that has like some sort of coating around it instead of something that's just pure metal. Try and use something that you feel comfortable with safely to dig out that excess lint in there, that excess fabric, and you will almost certainly get a nice charging cable that will just give you a nice click and be nice and tightly snug in place. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.